This video is for Ben and Emilio. We're going to take a quick look at this thing before we get it all dirty and burn it up. This is a 1 megawatt oil burner. A little bit different than most burners. I use this spiderweb manifold here to kind of capture some of the radiant heat that's going to be kicking off of this thing. It's a little bit better than just using a penstock manifold. Hopefully that helps us heat that oil up a little bit. That's kind of what we got here for the air. So let's check this thing out, see what it can do. Should be pretty impressive. I'm really freaked out right now. I have no idea what's going to happen. Never built one of these before. I'm just going off what I know. Guys, I gotta point out right away that I have nowhere near enough air pressure to run this burner. This is not the ideal setting. I have 3 air compressors connected to this burner right now. A 6.5 horsepower air compressor, a 2 horsepower compressor, and a 2.5 horsepower air compressor. So we're looking at about 16 cubic foot per minute. Just not quite enough air. But nonetheless, this is enough air to show that the burner is working.
That loud. The wind's blowing the flames. That was